In order for me to lose weight, usually what I do pag medyo tumataba, I go to the gym. Importante talaga, I do cardio, I do boxing, lahat na para lang mapawisan at saka sometimes hindi rin siya for vanity's sake eh. It's more of feeling healthy and energized. Kasi pag kunyari okay yung condition mo, yung katawan mo, makakapagtrabaho ka ng long hours, okay lang. So yun din yung reason ko, hindi lang for vanity's sake.